When the cosine distance between 2 points A and B is 0, it means that the two vectors representing these points are perfectly aligned in direction. Therefore, cosine similarity is 1. However, this does not necessarily imply anything about their Euclidean distance, which depends upon their magnitudes. Cosine similarity means it measures the angle between the two vectors. The cosine similarity of 1 means cosine distance is equal to 0, implies that the angle between the vectors is 0 degrees, meaning the vectors are perfectly aligned in the same direction. This says nothing about the lengths of the vectors. Euclidean distance considers the magnitude of the difference between two vectors. Even if the vectors are aligned, cosine distance is equal to 0, then a Euclidean distance will depend on their magnitudes. If the magnitudes of the two vectors are identical and they are perfectly aligned, the Euclidean distance could be 0. The points coincide. Otherwise, the Euclidean distance will reflect the difference in magnitudes. Cases like when the vectors are identical, two vectors are identical, same direction and magnitude, their Euclidean distance is 0. When the vectors are aligned but have different magnitudes, the Euclidean distance will be equal to the difference in their magnitudes. So from A to B, this is the Euclidean distance because there is a difference in the magnitudes. Since the cosine distance is 0, it is perfectly aligned. So the conclusion is if the cosine distance between 2 points is 0, cosine similarity is 1, the Euclidean distance can be 0 if the vectors are identical, is non-zero and reflects the difference in the magnitude if the vectors have different lengths.